Welcome my channel, Kakaibaum TV. Another sharing 1,000 Race Independence Centennial from Brazil. Circulating commemorative coins, year 1922. Composition, aluminum, bronze, 8 grams, diameter 26.7 millimeter, thickness 2.2 millimeter, shape round, orientation coin alignment, commemorative issue Independence Centennial. Obverse, Bust of Pedro I in Epitapio Pessoa. Script Latin. Translation: Acclamation of Independence, 10th President of the Republic, Dom Pedro I Epitapio Pessoa, Brazil. Reverse. Torch with 2 branches, value and the dates 1822 and 1922. Script Latin. Translation: September 7th, 1,000 Race, 1822 to 1992. Per Centennial of the Independence. Muito obrigado to all subscribers and viewers. Muchas gracias, grazie, danke, merci, shukran, salamat, domo arigato, thank you.